Hi guys, this is Robert Clark from OmniTechNews.net, and today we're going to be giving you a sneak peek at BringCast, a new podcasting application for Windows Phone 7.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek at BringCast, a podcasting application that is going to be in the marketplace shortly. Let's go in and launch the app. I'm currently in the middle of listening to the Friday Night Comedy podcast, but I actually want to go and subscribe and listen to Windows Phone Radio. So I'm going to do a search, and I'm just going to type in phone and search, and you can see that it's found Windows Phone Radio in the database. So we're going to open that up. You can see it gives us information. You can see Skip D's, my good friend Matt Akers, one of the hosts, some additional information. I can have a look at the playlist and see there's actually a new episode that came out today. So I want to continue getting new episodes from this podcast. So what I'm going to do is click the subscribe icon, and that means that I'm now subscribed. So if we go back to our homepage, you can see I'm now subscribed to 3 items, and you can see there are the 3 podcasts. So we're just going to check for new items to see if there's anything new. And you'll notice that all of them have been updated, and lo and behold, the latest episode is shown to me. So what I'm going to do now is download this to my playlist. So I'm going to click the download icon. You can see it's reaching out to the server, preparing to download. While it's doing that, I can actually, and there it is, it started to download. I can actually swipe over and go to my now playing list, and I can actually go to my playlist and continue listening to the Friday Night Comedy podcast. What's nice about BringCast is it's playlist based, which means that you can basically, for the podcasts you're interested in listening to, download them to your playlist, and it will just kind of play through each item. So you'll notice that I'm 20% of the way through the Friday Night Comedy podcast. Windows Phone Radio has just finished downloading. So I'm just going to actually, rather than wait for this one to finish, come into the menu, hit play, and it starts playing. And one of the really nice things is it remembers the status of all the playback. So if you quit out of the app and come back in, go back to your player, you'll notice that it's remembered exactly where we were. It carries on. So if and when Microsoft adds background playback, then we'll be definitely supporting that. I don't have a clue if they're going to be doing that or not. But right now it deals very nicely with kind of quitting and resuming and maintaining playlists. So that's BringCast.